Who gives a fuck what other people think about you? Who cares? Now, that doesn't mean don't listen to what other people are saying. Because you can listen to what other people are saying. That's how you reflect on yourself. Especially if you're hearing stuff from more than one person about yourself and from people that you dislike and that you like about yourself. It's important to listen to those things because, you can't see your own eyes. You can't look into your own eyes and see what's going on. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be a cooking and mukbang channel. And today we are eating some king crab legs, some corn, some eggs, some potatoes, and some lobster. Oh, and some sausages. Can't wait to get into this. You guys, I am so hungry. It's like 4 o'clock and I've not eaten today. This is gonna be so good. I made some sauce here. I'm gonna start with a potato because, yes. I do have something to talk about today. But because I'm so hungry, we're gonna eat first. Always gonna have napkins when you're eating a seafood boil. It gets so messy. So messy. But it's worth it. Get an egg. Swirl it in the sauce. This is how you get your eggs perfect. You guys don't understand how hungry I was. I'm saying was now because I got that food in me. Yes. Some of those onions on there. Look at me just picking out. Let me get y'all. Yes. I 100% forgot my scissors. So we're gonna pause. Okay, I'm back. Get these going because this is so prickly. I hate trying to crack it because, man, it just hurts. And then you get the meat out and you're like, oh, it was worth it. It was worth it. But was it really if you could do it the easy way and get your whole piece of meat. Goodness gracious. Look at that baby. Yes. That looks so good. I know y'all want some. I know you want it, but you can't have it. Oh my God. Look at that. Just glistening, glistening. Let me get this spoon going. Do y'all know what I forgot? And I already got my fucking scissors, so. Not good enough again. I forgot lemons. I forgot lemons. But it's okay. It's okay. 'Cause this is banging. This is amazing. This is all homemade. Yes, I cook. This is a cooking and mukbang channel. So that's all I do is cook and eat. I know. Why put on lipstick? I don't know. For the thumbnail. That's it. But yeah. Forgot what I was saying before that because that food was so good. Guys. Oh, I just remembered. I am gonna make a cooking video on how I do my seafood boils, but there will definitely be more eating on this channel than cooking, just because, you know, I'm not gonna repeatedly show you the same recipes. Probably do like updated versions if to change my recipes sometimes, but but mostly what you see me eating is what I'm going to end up showing you how I cooked it. Also follow me on TikTok at Lenny's Feast there too. I'm gonna be doing some quick everyday cooking on there. Maybe some mini story times. Need a little sip of El Sprito. If you're gonna be on this channel, just know I don't mean to offend anyone by my fake Spanish. I know like 2 words for real, like hola. I know another one, but you know, that's just me. Woo. Yes, I'm going to eat some of this potato. Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. Just don't know. I can't wait for you guys to see how I make this. People love to ask me to cook for them. But if you can make this on your own at home and sit on your couch and enjoy the same meal with me, watch my videos, it's gonna be amazing. Even better than me having to do it for you and cleaning up all the dishes out there, okay? Now, this is my first video, so please comment. Let me know if there's anything that you like for me to do different. I don't mean I'm always gonna take your advice, but some things I just can't see the way you guys can see it. So just let me know if, like, I don't know if I should look at the whole of the camera, at the monitor, what's going on, what's better, what's worse. But I expect you guys to be honest, so you ain't gonna hurt my feelings. I barely got feelings. Barely. That's a lie, I do. I'm just good at hiding my feelings because who gives a fuck what other people think about you? Who cares? Now, that doesn't mean don't listen to what other people are saying. Because you can listen to what other people are saying. That's how you reflect on yourself. Especially if you're hearing stuff from more than one person about yourself and from people that you dislike and that you like about yourself. It's important to listen to those things because, you can't see your own eyes. You can't look into your own eyes and see what's going on. You gotta let other people do that for you. So just be cognizant of what other people are saying. Doesn't mean you need to take it to heart. You know you, I know me. So whatever it is that people are saying, you can veto that shit. Big it toe. Period. Now, this is a mukbang channel. If you don't know, a lot of people like eating noises, slurpings, burpings. If that irritates you, go watch my cooking. Or, just watch me eat and like mute it. Still give me that view, But I understand those people. This crab is right in my face. I understand those people because I am absolutely repulsed by burps. Hated them my whole life, forever. Sorry, you guys. My light went out, so I had to readjust. But yeah, what was I saying? Burps. Hate them. So I don't know if I'm gonna put like little burp alerts for when I have to burp on here for people who want to like mute it real fast because I hate hearing burps. I don't know why, it's just so disgusting to me. But at the same time, so many people love burps. And I used to hold my burps in like all the time. I would never burp because I thought it was just so nasty, so disgusting. And now I literally can't hold a burp. So, or it hurts. I have to like burp myself or like hit myself up against a wall so that I can burp. So don't do that. Don't hold in your burps for years. I've been holding in my burps since like high school. And you won't be young forever. You gotta take care of yourself. Does anybody else have like a mini orgasm every time you pull the crab leg out in one piece? Like, man. Yes, look at her. Mm. 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 It's so good, you guys. So good. Can't wait till you're all at home eating a feast with Lanice. Once you know how I make all of this. Mm. Oh, yes. Isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely amazing. You know, you don't even need a spoon. This is why I like lobster tails. They're their own natural spoon. Look at that. Go ahead, take a bite. Go ahead. I know you want to. I know you want to. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Mm. 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 Not gonna lie, she's a little bit overcooked. It's a learning curve. I started air frying my lobsters, you guys. That's the move. Right there. That is the move. If you have an air fryer, clean that lobster tail real nice and good. Once you get that, oops. Once you get that baby clean, I put like very minimal seasoning. A little bit of oil just to help the seasoning stick. Not a lot of oil, because then what's the point you air frying it? Like, you're using oil. I thought the point of air frying was that you don't need oil to make it like healthier. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But whenever I air fry, I don't like to use a lot of oil. I'm just everywhere. I don't know what I want to eat. It's all so good, so delicious, so amazing. You know what I do want to do? I'm gonna make a little potato boat. Put some lobster. Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, on top of a potato. Now, I don't know if any of you guys watch other mukbangers. I watch mukbangers, Steph and Tosh, and they make potato bombs where they put the seafood, the potato, the sausage on it. And it's so good. Okay, she big. Yes, she is. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Y'all thought when I said she big, I was gonna have to cut her in half, didn't you? No, darling. Mm-mm. That's when you unlock the jaw, open wider. You know what I mean? We don't say things are too big over here. Ooh. No, we do not. Just means you gotta learn how to take it. Open up. I'm gonna throw this egg in here. Let it marinate. This is why I say you should not be offended by my fake Spanish, because I don't know how to do any kind of accents, any kind of other language, nothing. I just be playing around. Ooh. I do know how to say cucumber like a Jamaican. Oh, I can say mango like a Jamaican too. I love the way Jamaicans say mango. 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 They're saying mango. It's funny. You don't think that's funny? I don't know. I'm a corny person. I'm from Kansas. Get it? Corny. See what I mean though? That's just how I am. But hey, I love me. I want y'all to love me. Or hate me, honestly. I don't care. Just watch my videos. It'll make me feel delicious inside knowing that even the people that hate me love to watch me eat. Everybody loves to watch me eat. Y'all want a bite of that? Focus. Well, she done. I just wish you can taste what I'm tasting. Not gonna lie, I'm getting pretty full. I am. Oh, we didn't even get into the topic. Perfect timing for my belly to get full. I want to discuss today, do y'all think it's right that we have a Black History Month and they don't have like a White History Month, or, you know, Indigenous Peoples History Month? I don't know. It's not, if they do have those, it's not as widely known as Black History Month. I don't know. I know a lot of people get offended that there isn't a White History Month, but quite honestly, like, why do we need one when you are like forced to learn that stuff in school, like, period? So if you paid attention, you don't need a White History Month. But do you think that's like right? Is it discriminatory that they only do it for Black people? Because I'm Black, brown, technically. Like all my other brown people out there, you know, we are ignored. You know, it makes sense that you would want a month dedicated to the people that literally built this country. Literally, America would not be what it is if it was not for Black people working their behinds off. Period. Period. I will show you the receipts. I keep my receipts. Period. So wouldn't it be an easy fix to just force people to learn real history? Then nobody would be offended that somebody has a special month in the year. Sorry. But I feel like that's the easiest fix. If y'all are really offended that we have a whole month, the shortest month, but a whole month dedicated to our history, put our history in the history classes, in the history books. Tell the right story, period. And we wouldn't have to have this month where we are forced to educate everybody every single year because people are so oblivious to it. They know Christopher Columbus and freaking Amerigo Vespucci and all these other people that really didn't do anything but say they did something but really didn't do nothing. You know, if we took that out and put the truth in there, the real leaders, the real creators, the people who actually, oh my God, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Y'all look at that. Look at her. She just, yes, baby. Sorry. Got a little distracted. But if we actually put the real leaders in the history books, told the true story, not the story we want people to believe about us, we wouldn't even need a Black History Month. I honestly wouldn't even be like mad. I'd be like, okay, why? I would be on that same bandwagon as it. Why? I understand. Or, no history at all. Y'all don't seem to care. Y'all are repeating the same mistakes anyway. Take history out. And give everybody their own month. But I 100% want to know your opinions about that in the comments below. Because I like that. I'm a debate kid. On purpose. I like arguing with people. Not like arguing, but like having discussions. Real discussions. Because I'm not set in my ways. I want you to change my opinion, but you better come with the receipts, because I am coming with the receipts, period. And I'm backing up everything I gotta say. My opinions are based off of facts. They're still opinions, because you can sway either way, but you cannot deny the facts. So I like it when other people have other facts that back up their side that could sway my opinion in a way, you know? Because no matter what you try to do, if you are online, you are using any social networking platform, period, they know who you are. They know your likes, they know your interests, they know what kind of conspiracy theories you're into. They know everything about you. They're monitoring every single thing that you do. So of course, when I get online and I'm looking at most of these things, it's going to be more articles that are, you know, liberal, because I'm pretty liberal. They're only going to be my opinion, just backing up the facts that I already know. So it's good to branch out to people who have different views than you, because they might have access to information you didn't even know about, period. Look at me trying to hold in my burps. I gotta stop. It's bad, y'all. It's bad. This lobster is so good. I wish I would have did more lobster tails. Keep losing my napkin. She messy, y'all. She messy. I'm getting so full. I want that corn so bad. I want it so bad. So yeah, if you're one of the people who hates Black History Month too, I mean, all the power to you. You have the right to hate whatever you want to hate. Just know, over here on this channel, we loves No matter who you are, no matter what you are, we love. And I'm not gonna pretend to be something I'm not. Honey, I'm Black. This is my history, honey. This country was built off the backs of my ancestors, my great-grandparents. So don't try me. We gonna learn on this channel over here. I think I'm gonna do like a Black History Month trivia video here soon. Keep a lookout because I'm going to also make a video on how to make some soul food. And of course, a video on eating the soul food. So if you guys want to know the history of that, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am full. So full. I really want to finish this for you guys. It's, you know, it's basically gone. Look at her. I did that. I'm going to go burp it out, get ready for work. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, blessed week, good vibes always. Sending them out to you. Don't forget to, you know, comment under. Let me know your opinions about our topic of the day, Black History Month versus White History Month. Yeah, that's it.